I will be showing you how to hook up our PoE model today. It should come to you in a box similar to this. And when you open it, for the full version you will have the unit with 3 cables coming out. Now it'll be bound together with a wire tie. When you take it off, you will realize you have different lengths. Your longest cable, which will be terminated with an RJ45 plug, is to go to your midspan or switch. The shorter cable with the RJ45 plug is designed to go to the camera. And your remaining cable that ends in a terminal block is designed to carry power to the camera and control wires. So the first thing to do is to mount your unit. And today we're going to use an L bracket, which you can see mounts underneath the camera for very simple installation. You will get a bolt and a washer. Goes through there. And to tighten it, it is just a 7/16 inch socket. And you just want to make sure that's snug. Now I find the next best step is to approach your control wires and power cable. Now with this Axis model and most models, you will have terminal blocks that you can remove from the camera. One for power and one for controls. First we'll do the power. So if we separate the power conductors, and these will be labeled and you'll be instructed on this, but it'll be your white orange and orange conductors. White orange will carry the electricity, so you want to put that in your positive. And with this one, it is just a screw down terminal. Make sure it's good and snug. And then the solid color will be your ground. And make sure it's good and snug and you have a good connection. Now that takes care of your power. Now again, the solid colors remaining will be grounds, and the white wires will be your in and your out. The blue-white is your in, or sorry, the out from the camera into the Illuminator. And for synchronization, this is what you will need to hook up. With this terminal block, it is just a pressure, so just slide these in. Make sure they're seated properly. And different cameras have different pin designations, so make sure you pay attention to that. Make sure they're good and snug. And then you'll need to place them back into your camera. And that completes the most difficult part of the installation. Next, you will put the data cable into the back of the camera, and this will carry data from the camera through the Illuminator and back to your switch. Once you make sure everything's connected properly, you'll connect your cable to your PoE switch. Make sure your Illuminator comes on at first, but then you'll go into the programming on your camera to sync it up. And just like that, it is done.